What's up, dudes and girls? Here at the gym, I wanted to go over kind of a strange exercise that will help develop your core, your abs, and it's just kind of fun to do. So we got the battle ropes over here. We got a little placement set up here. It's a little damp this morning, so I just want to make sure you don't look like you shit your pants when you get up out of the floor. But you want to get in a position like this, and essentially this is going to be very similar to like a Russian twist. So you're in the same kind of position. In this case, your feet are going to be on the ground here. You can't necessarily elevate them, because if you do, that's going to be in the way of the ropes and you're going to have a bad time. So keep your heels on the floor, but what you want to do is slightly lean back to contract your core and your abs here to stabilize yourself in this position. Once you kind of reach this position, you grab the ropes. You can grab them separately or kind of hook them together here in your hands, and then be forcefully bringing it from one side to the next. Now this differs from a regular plate Russian twist because you're creating momentum. You're kind of forcibly moving it from one side to the other, so you're accelerating it and then have to slightly decelerate it because that rope is distributing the weight slightly different than, let's say, a normal plate, and we're using concentric and eccentric contraction here. So from one side to the next, and it's kind of a reciprocal motion here. Keep everything tight. You don't want to be in a just straight seated position, moving your arms. So this is what you don't want to do. If you start doing this, realistically, you're only really going to get some shoulder movement and some bicep involvement. What you want to do is really twist with your core this. So your waist is twisting, so you kind of keep your hands, your chest facing your hands. So you imagine a line from your chest to your hands. You're keeping that line, and that's going to force you to make a lot of twist in that core section here with the slightly kind of declined position. That's really going to tense the abs like crazy. So gotta bring it up and over, quick fashion, control the breathing. And you really get time under tension. So it's going to involve a lot of energy, involve a lot of muscle. In the long run, it's going to help develop a good core, not only the way it looks, but also the way it functions. Very strong, tight, you know, all that good stuff. So hopefully you enjoyed this quick tutorial. More to come in the future. And as always, stay buff. You're still here? Go home.